Alright, today we are going to be making the classic cocktail, the Cosmopolitan. Now starting off, you're going to want to take a cocktail shaker and add about 2 ounces of triple sec or an orange liqueur. Now here I'm using a triple sec that's about 15%. You can find it in between 15 and 40. This is a very alcohol focused drink, so I wanted to keep it a little bit on the lighter side. Then you're going to be adding 4 ounces of a citrus vodka. Here I'm using Absolute Citron as I find that it mixes well with the cranberry juice, but also that orange triple sec. After all the alcohol, we're going to add 1.5 ounces of lime juice, using fresh juice for the best results. Now comes time for the cranberry juice. I'm using about 3/4 ounces here. It's really more for the color of the drink rather than the flavor. Add that into the cocktail shaker with ice and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds. As the Cosmo is a true martini, we're going to serve it in the appropriate glassware, being a martini glass. Now when I strain this, I'm going to strain it through 2 different types of strainers. One a Hawthorne and then a fine mesh sieve. As if you look closely, you can see all of the ice shards that we've caught just from shaking the cocktail. To finish off the drink with garnish, we're just going to add a lime wheel, and there you have it, the classic Cosmo Martini. But I think we can make this a little bit better with our own cranberry juice, especially with fall coming around. In order to do that, take 2 cups of cranberries and add that into a saucepan along with 4 cups of water. Now this mixture is going to need to simmer for a while, so after adding that water, turn the heat to high and bring it to a boil. To sweeten the cranberry juice, you can add sugar, but my preferred option is honey. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons here. It's enough to kind of cut some of the bitterness of that cranberry juice, but not overpower it. Once the cranberries begin to boil, give the mixture a stir, and you know you're getting there when some of the cranberries start to burst. After 15 to 20 minutes, cut the heat and bring the mixture over as we are about to strain into a measuring cup. I made about 4 cups of cranberry juice with this measurement, and at this point also feel free to add in more sugar if you would like to add some more sweetness. So using the same recipe as before, we're going to make another Cosmopolitan. Just make sure that you cool your cranberry juice before putting into the cocktail shaker. Now, you're really going to see once we strain this cocktail that it is a much deeper and darker red just using the same amount, and also the flavor is much more intense. So with an extra 15 minutes of work, you can really see the difference in the final result. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.